The Certified Counter Terrorism Specialist course aims at advancing security and public safety personnel on how to deal effectively with threat of terrorism or defeat its intended impact. While it acquaints the participant about profiling terrorist personalities, the course heavily engages each of the participants on specific counter-terrorism measures, including understanding in detail terrorism methods, weaponry, and the strategies and tactics used to counter them. It also presents advanced knowledge about the impacts of terrorism on every stakeholder in the business and security industry. A CCTS should be able to appreciate high consciousness on terrorism, terrorist capabilities, plans, and the risks it poses to communities and to their workplaces, practice the strategies and tactics in counter-terrorism, acquire the standard level of knowledge, skill, competence, and values as counter-terrorist specialist. The world today must respond and fight the evils of terrorism, which threatens and destroys our basic freedom, and fearfully interfering with our way of life. CCTS is an amazing training program for those transitioning from law enforcement, counterinsurgency, and into the corporate world. For security professionals, it always pays to sharpen the saw. For nations to become better prepared for terror-related atrocities, there is a greater need to understand the evolving threat dynamics in terrorism. CCTS is a hybrid training program about terrorism methodology, threat response, critical incident management, threats to national security, anti-terrorism versus counter-terrorism, integrated security systems, risks and threat assessment, explosive detection, identification, search and reporting techniques, bomb threat management, hostage negotiation, and crisis management. The Certified Counter Terrorism Specialist is brought to you by the Special Operations Training Institute, aligned by the teaching principles of the International Law Enforcement Educators and Trainers Association, the International Security Industry Organization, and support groups, One Hit One Strike and Tactical Response Concepts.